This is Rebecca with RebeccasRoadmap.com, and I'm going to show you how I'm prepping this book for an altered book art journal. So I don't know if I want to leave this cover on or not. I like them. But anyway, okay, enough about that. This is a book that I picked up at our local thrift store. Hardback book. It has the sewn-in binding. It's a small book, probably 5 by 7-ish or maybe 5 by 8. And it's got kind of old, a little more porous paper that should take paint very well. Most of the pictures in it are black and white. There are a couple of colored plates in here that I'll probably just pull out. I think that's it, just those two. Not sure why. Maybe, oh, there's a couple more. Maybe just to show the colors or something. But since this is a book about art, I thought it might be kind of cool to have some of these little sketches and stuff in there. So I'm probably going to remove about half of the pages in here, so maybe like every other page. So I'm just going to kind of go through and decide what I need to keep and not. So I like this picture, so I'll probably keep that. That not so much, so I'll probably tear that. So I've got, this is just a ruler I picked up at like Walmart or somewhere. It's got the hard edge, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of this page there, so if I want to put a tip in or something there, I can. Let's try, I haven't tried this one out. It's a little bit thick paper, so it's kind of nice actually. That's kind of scary, right? Just like ripping into the book. Let's see. I like that picture. I kind of like those pictures. That one can go. And I'm going to put these in, I've got like a photo box that I keep kind of extra stuff in, so I'm going to put those in there so I can use them for collage later. If I can actually tear this one straight this time. Those are kind of cool, so I think I'll leave those there. Let's see. A plant drawing by Leonardo da Vinci. That's kind of cool. Okay, these are about composition, which might be kind of fun. Oh, my favorite thing, collage. I like those trees. This book probably has some good information in it. See if I can actually find some more pages to tear out that I don't want to keep. Here we go. And take this shiny page out too. I don't think we need that in there. It may cause issues. I might can glue something back in. Okay, some more pages I can tear out. It might take me a couple go rounds to decide what to leave and what to take. I guess it would help if I actually use the sharp edge of the ruler. If this book would lay flat, this would be a whole lot easier. Maybe I'll tear some of these kind of. Leave some of these a little bit longer. Might can do some layered something with that. Oh, I like that, but I think I could probably just cut that piece out and use it somewhere else. Okay, so this book had like 100 pages, so I probably need to tear out like 25-ish pages, something like that. Let's see. I think I need to tear a few more out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17. So I need like 8 more. So I'll just go back through here. I don't need that page. Like that. I shouldn't tear that one out. I got 3 there already. those torn out. Okay, let's go through one more time. Or I should tear this page out. Okay, I think that probably will do. That's probably about half. You can kind of see from here to here. And that is where I'm going to start this art journal. Okay, I also went through and tore out about half of the pages of this book. So I'm going to kind of show you that, just the same method I did with the first one. So I've got two prepped. I can go in and start journaling in both of these. So that's that one, and that is that one. So there you go. I hope you go find your own book, and if you're not sure how to choose a book, I will link the first video that I did on how to choose a book down below. If you like this kind of thing, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.